Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you on how to update your browser. Okay, so first browser I will show here is by using Google Chrome. Okay, to check on your browser update, you can go on your triple dot on the right side, click on it, and then you can go to Help, and then you can check under About Google Chrome. Okay, once you click on it, so you will have the About Google Chrome update. So here I have updated a version, so it will come up like Chrome is up to date. Okay, but for those who is outdated version, okay, you're supposed to have like something is on loading. Okay, you need to like download the Google Chrome version, the latest version, and then somehow you will come up with relaunch button on your right side here. Okay, but here I am on up-to-date version, so it won't have any relaunch button lah. Okay, so this one is under Google Chrome. Okay, and then let's see if you are using Microsoft Edge. Okay, so you need to update your browser as well. Same method, you can go on your triple dot on the right side on top, click on it, and then you can go to Help. Okay, click on About Google Chrome. Sorry, About Microsoft Edge. Okay, so you can see checking for update. Okay, so here I am on outdated version, so it is updating Microsoft Edge. So it will take a while depending on the internet connection. So you need to make sure that the percentage is until 100%. Okay, let it process first, and then you will have the relaunch button on here. Okay, let's give another few seconds first. Okay, let it process. Okay, again. Okay, so for Microsoft Edge, you need to click on Restart. Okay, so it will close all of your tab, and then it will relaunch your browser basically. Okay, so just click on Restart. Okay, once you click on Restart, you will have the Microsoft Edge is up to date. Okay, so this is the latest version lah. Right, so same goes to Google Chrome or any other browser for Firefox. Okay, maybe Internet Explorer. Okay, up to you lah, depending on your on your browser. Right, so that is how you update your browser.